Today, we show you a tutorial on how to clean windows professionally with a washer and window squeegee. Let's get started. We present you window cleaning with the so-called S technique, which is used daily by professional window cleaners and taught during vocational training. First of all, let's take a look at what you need for professional window cleaning. A bucket, cleaning liquid, a washer, window squeegee, 2 microfiber cloths, and the glass scraper. Let's get started. You see, you only need a few tools to get started right away. We start by cleaning the frames with a damp microfiber cloth for surface cleaning. The frame is cleaned in an inverted U, starting at the bottom left. Now we start cleaning the window with the window washer and the window squeegee. The window is washed with the washer in S movements. We do this with the arm, with which we don't pull the squeegee over the window. This gives us a higher ergonomic factor and a more even strain on the arms. Sticky dirt on the window is removed with the integrated scrub pad of the washer. Stubborn dirt, for example, adhesive residues and paint stains, are best removed with a glass scraper. Important, the glass scraper may only be used selectively, and the blade must not show any signs of rust, otherwise scratches may occur. The glass scraper is pushed over the window in a short, sickle-like movement from top to bottom, with light pressure. When moving backwards, always close the glass scraper. Then we clean the window with a window squeegee, also in the typical S movement. We do not place the window squeegee directly at the top, but pull it at an acute angle upwards into the corner and then to the other side. Always concentrate on the front protruding end of the window squeegee. It doesn't matter what the bottom end is doing. You will automatically come to this area later and clean it. Pay special attention to the corners. When you reach the right corner with the front end of the window squeegee as pointed as possible, go down in one movement while turning the window squeegee. Note that the previously lower end of the window squeegee is now the fixed point. Change the direction in a flowing movement and concentrate. With a little practice, it will go by itself. Now the detail work begins. The remaining water on the edges and at the bottom is picked up with the microfiber glass cloth by default. Done. That's a perfectly cleaned window. By the way, if you still have a few streaks at the beginning, no problem. That's what the microfiber for polishing is for. And always remember, practice makes perfect. As soon as you are skilled technically, the speed will come all by itself. We wish you lots of fun and perfect cleaning results every time.